Guess the sound of the animal part 2. What animal sound is this? Cat. Next, what animal sound is this? Dog. And what is the sound animal is this? Horse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and also turn on the bell so you don't miss our latest video notifications.